in your tiger's neighborhood.
You see trucks go honk
And cars go beep beep, and police sirens say all day.
Trucks make a sound that's loud and proud. Let me hear you now.
Honk. You know cars go beep beep. Let me hear you now.
Beep, beep, sirens say. What do they say? Honk, beep, beep. Honk, beep, beep. Wasn't that grr-ific? I'm gonna fly to the moon in this rocket ship! Meow meow! You will see me! I'm pretending to be a twinkling, twirling star in the sky, meow meow! You be a star too! Oh, okay. I'm a star too! Twirl! Hup! Whoop! I'm pretending to be a planet in the sky, Toots! A purple planet! Grr-ific! You can pretend with us! When you pretend, you can be anything. Let's pretend to be astronauts and fly in our rocket ship to the moon.
Have a nice trip. Bring me back a moon rock.
Okay. Let's blast off. Count down from 5 with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Whoosh! I see the stars in the sky. And there's a purple planet. What do you see? I see the moon. Hey, I have an idea. Do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that we land on the moon and get a moon rock. Hi, Purple Planet. I'm going to the moon to get a moon rock. Which way to the moon? It's that way, Toots. Thank you. Twinkle, twinkle, meow meow. Twinkle, twinkle. Whoa, dizzy. I see the moon. Let's go. How can we get the moon rock? I know. One moon rock coming up. Tractor beam. Ta-da! Moon rock mission complete. Let's pretend that we're sailing to find jungle treasure. Great idea, Toots. You can pretend with us. Excited! Amazing! Which way do we go to find the jungle treasure? I think the treasure is this way. Oh, I don't see a treasure. Look out! It's a lion! Roar, meow, meow, roar! Look! I see something up ahead. It's the treasure! Yeah! Treasure, Toots! The treasure is heavy, Toots! We've got the treasure! Lots and lots and lots of treasure! We're sailing, sailing, sailing in our boat with treasure! That was so much fun. Let's make a train. We have all the parts. See? The engine, the cars, and the caboose. Now we just need to put them in order. Which part of the train goes first? The engine goes first, so it can pull the train. Yes, and it makes it go fast, fast, fast. Which part of the train comes next? The cars are next. The cars carry all of the people and the things on the train, meow meow. Oh, Mr. Bear wants to ride in the train cars. Hello, Mr. Bear. And now, the last part of the train, the caboose. The caboose always goes on the end of the train. Caboose! That's a funny word, meow meow. Caboose! Ta-da! We made a train!
Ooh, great job on that train. There we go. There. Now you can put it on.
Thanks, Teacher Harriet. I want to be the engineer and ride in the engine.
It would be fun to be a real engineer. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that we're on a real train and I'm a real engineer. All aboard! This train is leaving. Headed for the mountains. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Now we're moving. Chugga, chugga, through a tunnel. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Look, there's a rainbow. Chugga, chugga, right through that window. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. This train is headed. Chugga, chugga, to the station. Chugga, 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 chugga. Wasn't that grr-ific? And now, let's go ride the best part of the train. The engine and be the engineer.
Attention! I'm the train engineer. All aboard, meow meow. Chugga 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 chugga. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo choo. All aboard. Come on, Daniel. Let's play train. Chugga 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 chugga. Grr, grr. Daniel, what's wrong? Why are you saying grr? Grr.
Hi, Katerina. Hi, Daniel. I heard some loud voices. Do you need my help?
Something's wrong with Daniel, meow meow.
Daniel, can you tell us what's wrong?
Grr.
Daniel, we can help you, but you need to use your words and tell us what the problem is.
I want to be the train engineer, not Katerina. So I am mad. Grr.
Good job using your words, Daniel. Katerina?
You want to be the train engineer? In the engine, meow meow?
Yes, the engineer gets to wear that hat and say all aboard and sit in the engine. That's my favorite part.
Oh, I didn't know it was your favorite part.
Daniel, did you tell Katerina you wanted to be the engineer? Did you use your words? Use your words.
No, I didn't.
Well, you can be the train engineer, meow meow. Here.
Really? Thanks.
You're welcome, meow meow. I'll ride in the caboose. It's the silliest part of the train. Caboose.
When you use your words, it helps your friends know what you're feeling.
Use your words. Use your words. We're walking through the neighborhood. I wonder what we'll see. Won't you walk along with me? Walk along. Won't you walk along with me?
Look, I see the stop sign.
Good finding, little D. A stop sign means...
Stop.
Yes, that's telling everyone to stop, and so we will too. Stop. Look both ways, and then you can...
Go.
We're going to go across the street, so everyone hold hands. Now, look both ways.
One way, two ways.
Is anything coming?
No.
That means it's safe to cross. Okay then, let's go. Nice job, everyone.
I guess it's time to head back to school now. Right, Teacher Harriet?
Not quite, O. We still have more rules to learn. There are lots of rules to keep us safe in the neighborhood.
More rules? Ooh, I had no idea.
Hey, everyone. Keep your eyes out for a traffic light.
Tell me if you see one, okay?
We're walking through the neighborhood. I wonder what we'll see. Won't you walk along with me? Walk along. Won't you walk along with me?
I see the traffic light! Woohoo!
Great job, O.
Traffic lights tell everyone when to stop and when to go. Right, Prince Tuesday?
Right. Trolleys and people must follow the safety signs.
Hi, Trolley. Hello, Trolley. I wonder what other things keep us safe. Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that all of the things that keep us safe can sing to us.
We are helmets and we
green light. Go! Ding, ding! Make the trolley noise with me. Ding, ding! Ding, ding! Look, it's my neighborhood in my house. Let's play. Trolley's at my house. Ding, ding! Now, where should Trolley go? How about Trolley goes over there to the bakery to pick up my birthday cake? Yeah!
We're going to the bakery to pick up my birthday cake. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along, won't you ride along with me?
Psst, Mom, you be Baker Acre, okay?
Okay. Trolley, oh Trolley, Daniel's very special birthday cake is ready.
Ding, ding! Trolley's here!
Hello, Trolley. Are you here for Daniel's special birthday cake?
Ding, ding, ding!
Well, here it is.
Birthday cake! Delicious!
Okay, Trolley, this cake is ready to go. And if you smush it, it's okay. Daniel likes smushy, yummy cake.
Ding, ding! Let's go, Trolley. Da 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 dee dee doo. Dad, you be Mr. McFeely, okay?
Okay. Why, hello, Trolley.
Ding, ding!
Will you take this very special birthday package to Daniel Tiger?
Ding, ding!
Speedy delivery.
Who's the package from?
I think it's from King Friday.
Can you make it be from Grand-Père?
Oh, yes. It's from Grand-Père Tiger, of course.
Oh, boy! A package from Grand-Père. I wonder what it is. Ding, ding! Time to take it to Daniel's house.
Speedy delivery.
Here we go, Trolley. Ding, ding! Ding, ding!
That was fun. But I think it's time for Baker Acre to close up for the day.
Me too. But you can keep playing for a little while, Daniel.
Okay. Let's you and me keep playing Trolley, okay? I like playing Trolley. Let's go this way, Trolley. If you could take Trolley for a ride, where would you want to go? Wouldn't it be fun if Trolley could take us for a ride to the jungle? Or to the mountains? Or a farm? Hey, do you want to make believe with me? Let's make believe that Trolley can take us on lots of rides.
Trolley wheels go round and round. I love to hear trolley sound. Trolley can take us anywhere. We can ride trolley here, we can ride trolley there. Trolley can take us anywhere. If you need to be somewhere, trolley comes through. Downtown, out of town, our friends' houses too. We can ride trolley here and we can ride trolley there. Trolley can take us anywhere. Trolley can take us anywhere.
Ding, ding! Wasn't that grr-ific? Vroom!
Oh, yeah!
Daniel, do you want to make the siren noise for my police car? Like this. Wee-hoo, wee-hoo. Okay, do it with me. Wee-hoo, wee-hoo. Horrific! Just like a real police car. Wee-hoo, wee-hoo, wee-hoo. Honk, 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 honk.
Here's your tiger car back, Daniel.
You gave it back! Dad, I got it back! Now it's my turn to vroom!
That's great, Daniel. Nice job taking turns.
Thanks for letting me play with your tiger car. It's tiger-tastic!
It's super tiger-tastic! Try and catch me! Your car is tiger-tastic, Daniel. I know. Hey, why don't we race our cars? Boomerific idea, Daniel. Is this thing on? All cars line up. Ready, steady.
Wait! What about me? I don't have a car to race.
Well, I just had a turn with my car. So you can take a turn. Use my car for the race.
You can take a turn and then I'll get it back.
Really?
Really.
Thanks, Daniel. I will give it back.
But, Daniel, now you don't have a car for the race. Take my truck, Toots. Honk. Really? Really.
Wow, thanks, Miss Elaina. You can take a turn, and then I'll get it back, Toots. But now you don't have a car. I'll use my pretend car. You can't see it, Toots, but it's right here. Nifty-ga-lifty. And now we can race. All cars, ready, set, go!
Say cheese.
Cheese! Sandwiches!
Here's your car back, Daniel. Hey, thanks for taking turns with me.
Thank you for giving it back. And here's your truck back, Miss Elaina. Thanks, Toots. I guess I don't need my pretend car anymore. Thanks for taking turns with me, Miss Elaina. Okie dokie.